Today we're going to talk about a very common problem in citrus plants, citrus canker disease. Canker is a bacterial disease that affects leaves, stems, and even fruits. It usually appears as small, raised, brown spots with a yellow halo around them. Over time, these spots can spread and damage the overall health of the plant. Here, I'm showing two of my lemon plants that are affected by this disease. This disease usually occurs in warm, humid, and rainy weather. High moisture and wind help the bacteria spread quickly from one plant to another. It commonly affects citrus plants like lemon, orange, lime, and other related species. The main causes are infected plant material, rain splash, wind, and even contaminated tools. To prevent it, always keep good air circulation. Avoid overhead watering, use disease-free plants, and regularly inspect your plants for early signs. If you look closely at the leaves, you can clearly see these characteristic spots. Even some of the fruits are starting to show early signs of infection. Now, if you notice this disease at an early stage, the best thing to do is to remove and discard the affected leaves immediately. This helps prevent the spread. But if the infection has already spread throughout the plant, then we need to treat it chemically. For treatment, I'm using a product called Blitox. It contains copper oxychloride 50%. Although this is technically a contact fungicide, it is also effective against certain bacterial infections like citrus canker. Scientifically, copper-based compounds release copper ions on the plant surface. These ions disrupt essential enzymes and proteins in microorganisms, including bacteria, ultimately stopping their growth and spread. Since it works on contact, proper coverage of the plant surface is very important. I'll mix it at a ratio of 2 grams per liter of water and then spray it thoroughly over the entire plant, especially on the affected areas. This treatment should be repeated once every week for a total of 3 applications to effectively control and eliminate the disease. With proper care and timely treatment, your citrus plants can recover and stay healthy. Just follow the instructions I shared in this video. That's all for today. If you enjoy informative gardening content like this, be sure to check out my other videos. Don't forget to like and share the video. And also subscribe to the channel.